This is Mel from Bangle Whisper. Welcome to Bangle Whisper. Hi, this is Mel from Bangle Whisper. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today I'm going to talk about moringa. As we all know, moringa is very highly nutritious. It's a magical godsend plant, and it has hundreds and hundreds of documented benefits, and it heals almost everything in this world. And this research been done in every country and every science lab regarding moringa. Moringa is there for thousands of years, and people been eating moringa. Actually, the Moringa Oleifera is a highly nutritious plant. The entire tree is useful from the root to the top of the tree. It's usually very tall tree, about 100 feet tall, and it becomes very hairy. Fruit is moringa. The pods, which is like moringa fruits, actually the long pods, and you can eat it only after cooking. You do not eat it raw. But moringa leaves, a lot of people eat it raw, and a lot of people eat it cooked like spinach. So the root is useful, the whole tree bark is useful, the leaves are extremely nutritious and full of vitamin and minerals and antioxidants, and it's a well-known healing tree. It heals literally everything, including death. So the leaves and the flower is also very tasty, and some countries flower is eaten just before the spring season comes. So it's believed at the change of the season there are new diseases comes by eating moringa flowers. They can get rid of that chance. So the pods, the flower, the leaf, the root, the entire tree is a miracle tree. Now you can grow it in a little pot, but you have to continuously trim it, and it grows really fast. So basically you can grow it in your backyard if you live in a summer weather place. And a moringa requires about 70 to 80 degree or higher temperature. It does not grow in winter country or where weather is cold. It does not grow. It requires warmer temperature. So moringa has high quality protein. Now there are animal proteins and there are vegetarian proteins. So moringa is high quality vegetarian protein, and the vitamin, it has vitamin A, vitamin B1, which is thiamine, and B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, B6 vitamin C, iron, beta carotene, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, potassium, folate, ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, and zinc. This is just few basic. Beside that, moringa has plenty more. So moringa contains the B groups: B1, B2, B3, B6, B7. B7 is the cancer killers. Beside that, moringa has A, C, I, K, E, and D. These vitamins. Moringa has been used for thousands and thousands of years by the healers because of these medicinal properties. It is an amazingly health benefit tree. If you don't have any other tree in your garden, in your backyard, be sure to plant a moringa. Moringa will totally heal you from everything. It is antifungal, antiviral, antibacterial, antidepressant, anti-inflammatory. Moringa tree is found in Asia, India, Africa, and South America. But before you start taking moringa, please do consult with your doctor, especially if you're taking any kind of medication. It might interfere with the medication because moringa has the ability to make many changes in the body through the healing process. So what moringa has is 92 different nutrients, 46 different antioxidants, 36 anti-inflammatory products, 18 amino acids, and 9 essential amino acids. Now, what are the benefits of taking moringa? You will see increased mental clarity because of the antioxidant in it, and it has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory products, and it's a stimulant, so it stimulates the hair growth, gives you a lot of energy, but it's not like caffeine. It does not give you a downtime like sugar or caffeine. This moringa high is the actual energy, comes from all the vitamin, mineral, and nutrients in it. What it does is it increases the oxygen content in your blood, and as you know, if we have more oxygen in our blood, if our blood gets oxygenated more, then we have more energy, more vitality, more happiness, and less of the diseases. So moringa increases the oxygen content in the blood. It stimulates hair growth, and it normalizes blood sugar. If the blood sugar is high, it brings it down. If it's low, it brings it up. So it normalizes. It is also an appetite suppressant. It's appetite suppressant in a good way because it has all the vitamin, minerals, and all the nutrients. And since it is so nutrient dense, when we eat something which is so nutrient dense, we have less hunger. So if we eat something which has zero nutrition but more calories, some junk food, say potato chips or donut, then even though it has a lot of calories, these are empty calories, and this is bad food. So even if we eat it, after some time, like an hour or so, we are hungry again. Why we are hungry? Because this food actually isn't good for our body, so our body is not satisfied. But on the other hand, if you take something like moringa, which has all the vitamin, minerals, and nutrients, so it is really satisfying for all the bodies and the cells and everything. So appetite gets suppressed because our body gets what it needs. And moringa heals it has own healing properties because of being anti-inflammatory, and it has all the antioxidants, and it detoxifies the body. It is anti-ulcer, it eliminates constipation, so it keeps regular, cleans out the bowel, and it cleans out all the junk and impurities from the body. It improves digestion since it digests everything and clean out the stomach, so it improves digestion. It is anti-tumor, anti-cancer, antiviral. Now antiviral is very important, antibacterial, antifungal, and it reduces wrinkles and age lines, the aging signs, all the wrinkle and age spot and age lines. It reduces. So if you put a little bit moringa in the water and put in your face and all hands and necks, that also work, but internally taking is important. It is used as aphrodisiac, so it promotes libido Also it strengthens the immune system, so it is antidepressant. Moringa normalizes blood pressure, it improves the vision, and it increases energy level and endurance. Is good for the people who are exercising, running. Anti-cholesterol, it enhances skin health, and it heals UTI, urinary tract infection. So moringa is really super food, and before you take moringa, be sure to consult your doctor based on what medication is you're taking and what effect it will have on the body. But other than that, moringa, all the leaves are like spinach, but it has 100 times more nutrition and lot of antioxidant and essential amino acids and vitamin minerals. It has more vitamin minerals than carrots and broccoli and all other vegetables and fruit. So you can do your own research regarding moringa, and I'm sure you will find it very beneficial. And moringa is really healing, and moringa pods can be cooked, and cooking is very easy. You can take moringa pods and wash it and cut it, and outside they have little bit of rough skin, so you need to peel the rough skin and then you cut it in little pieces, and then you can cook it with salt, turmeric and pepper and some other spices, whatever you like to add, and just eat it with rice. And you need to chew it and then throw away the fiber portion, but chew it inside. There is inside sort of like a meaty thing, but it's not meat, and it has the seeds are really good and really useful. So yeah, it's moringa is very good, and if you eat it you will feel the difference in your body, but be sure to ask your doctor's permission before you do so. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you with many more products and their infos, and mainly all natural products which are found in nature. Thank you. Bye bye. Hi, thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe